do you think what?
One looks better, but
Okay, let's go.
well, you're just very close.
Yeah, that's okay.
Louder,
If you can, yeah.
I'll try.
As you know, I'm here at the Dubai Crypto Expo and I've bumped into a tax specialist called Anthony. Now Anthony, why don't you tell us about your role within the crypto space and what you're doing here today?
Hello, thank you for having me. I'm your crypto tax guy. Everyone is talking about crypto, but I am here to tell you that yes, you may have to pay tax on it, but more importantly, crypto is the future, so everyone will be dealing in it. So it's important that you get aware, that you tell your government that please tax it just a bit so that we can gain from it.
I mean, you are the guy that's bringing us the bad news, but also saving us from the cops to do the right thing.
Yeah.
I mean, where can people find more information about the services that you provide and just get to know a bit more about you?
Sure. If you're on LinkedIn, you can see crypto AAT services, crypto ad services. Ad is accounting and tax services, and basically we are on LinkedIn because people there are understanding what it is all about, and we are here in Dubai because Dubai people have launched rules that you can set your crypto businesses here. So I'm here to help businesses set up their digital assets businesses, and Dubai is the only place which has made rules, and you can come here, set up your business and have a good time just as we are having a
I mean, Anthony Williams, if you do want to find out more information, go over to his LinkedIn, ask him all the questions you want. I'm sure he'll be obliged to help you. It's been a pleasure to get to know you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, if we could do one more. So we have a joke on my channel.